Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, how's your English going, by the way? Did you bite off more than you can chew? They just aren't ready. They cut corners. Teacher Reggie, those are my friends. Don't judge a book by its cover. Actually, you should see them. They're on the ball. Okay, I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Thanks, Teacher Reggie. Now, back to you. Did you understand those idioms? Let's learn them. No pain, no gain. Welcome back to another exciting lesson with Teacher Reggie from North Carolina. If you're new here, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. That way, you'll make sure to be able to see all the videos that I put out every week. If you hit the bell, you'll get that notification weekly. Okay, now let's learn and use 10 idioms that natives use almost every day. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Beat around the bush. That's avoiding sharing your real viewpoint because you feel uncomfortable or you feel a little nervous about the situation.
Julie, hi.
Hi.
Hi, it's Tom Thompson.
Oh, Tom.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
So instead of directly telling someone what you actually feel, well, you beat around the bush. Hopefully when I teach you guys English, I'm a little direct and I'm not beating around the bush with you guys. Here's another one that we always use. Cutting corners. In order to save time, you don't do exactly what someone asked of you. So you probably skip some steps or you actually just go on to the finish line. All right, that's cutting corners.
Run, Forrest, run!
Hopefully, while you're learning English, you're not cutting corners. I know you're not. I know you're doing exactly what you need to do, right? Yeah, I know. Okay, here's another one. Oh yeah. Fit as a fiddle. That's someone that's really in shape or someone that's very healthy. Maybe someone says, hey man, do you work out? Oh yeah, I'm fit as a fiddle. I don't know about you guys, but I grew up in North Carolina. So in North Carolina, we play a lot of basketball. So when you're really tired and you're worn out, but then you get a little bit of energy again, you say, yeah, I got my second win. Or if you feel like you're a little tired with what you're doing and you say, man, I think I'm about to give up. And then you say, I'm going to do it again. Well, you got your second wind.
You just don't know when to give up, do you?
I can do this all day.
But because I know a couple of you guys and I know that you're doing really good with your English, I know with these idioms, you're hitting them right on the head. That's using them exactly the way that they should be used. Maybe you've seen Karate Kid, wax on, wax off. Daniel-san, when he was working with the nail, he hit the nail right on the head, exactly where he should hit it. So with your English, make sure you hit it on the head.
Hey, I did it.
I'm sure you've heard of this next one. No pain, no gain. If you don't suffer a little bit or feel a little bit of pain, well, maybe you're not working hard enough. If you're going to the gym and you don't feel anything, well, you're not going to get better, right? Especially with English too. If you're not feeling like you're working hard, well, no pain, no gain. You're not going to improve.
I told you a while back, you can't grow without burning.
I'm pretty sure with these words that you're learning, these idioms, you're like, Teacher Reggie, that's a piece of cake. That means these words are simple, they're easy to eat, just like a piece of cake. So a piece of cake, you use that when something is very easy to complete. These idioms are a piece of cake. But what do you say when you ask a question to someone and you both don't know the answer? Well, we say, your guess is as good as mine. That means we're in the same situation. Well, your guess, whatever you're thinking, is as good as my guess. We both don't know the answer.
I don't have any idea what that means.
Your guess is as good as mine. Hey, but what about you? Do you remember at the beginning of this lesson I asked you, are you biting off more than you can chew? Well, I basically was asking you, are you taking on more than you can handle? You can imagine like a kid that ordered a big plate of food and he was eating the food, but man, he ordered too much. It was too much for him, so he couldn't finish. He was biting off more than he can chew. So that's what that means. Not being able to finish what you started because the task is too big.
How is the dog? He's in a food coma.
Hey guys, so like right next to our house, we have some people that are working on construction. And as you can hear, they're hitting the nail right on the head.
I meant no disrespect.
Sorry about that. Next class, we'll have better sound. Don't even worry about it. Do you remember when I told Mr. Reggie, hey, like, don't talk about my friends like that. Don't judge a book by its cover. Usually if you look at a book, or if you look at even YouTube, right? If you look at the thumbnail and you're like, I don't know if this is going to be a good video, right? You're judging the book by its cover. You don't know if the actual video or the actual book is going to be good or not, but you're judging it, right? So I told him, hey, like, you guys are my friends. Don't judge a book by its cover. You guys are on the ball. And talking about on the ball, you guys are doing good. On the ball means that you're rolling. Basically, like, when someone's on the ball, they keep going and keep progressing, and they don't stop. So if someone's doing a very good job of what they're doing, we say, you're on the ball. Great, guys. So you learned all of these idioms in just a few minutes. I hope you can use them in your normal conversation when you're talking to your friends, or even right here on YouTube. Maybe you can use one of these idioms in the comment section below. Tell me what you think, and we can have a little discussion. Okay, guys, you did a good job. Thanks for coming to my class. If you really like my class, please hit that like button, give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell. When you click the bell, that'll let you know every time I drop a video, and you won't miss out. All right, so see you next Wednesday. Take care.